S3 Virtual User is the solution developed by S3, which allows you to monitor business-critical applications or their specific components underpinning their delivery from the end-user perspective. S3 Virtual User behaves like a real user who checks the usability of applications and services in terms of availability and performance, using, when available, the native application interface. S3 Virtual User Active Monitoring is an agentless solution that interacts with the native application graphical user interface of monitored services and requires only a dedicated workstation from which to perform the checks. Checks can be run independently, both from the technology platform providing services as well as from the application interface. The S3 Virtual User Agent can be positioned everywhere on the network, where the measurements have greater significance. The Internet, if the service is public, or, if private, remote locations, to verify the actual quality of service provided to the end user. Or the intranet, to be sure that, independently from the network, all systems are working properly. S3 Virtual User Console provides users with a graphical console updated in real time, which displays availability and performance of business services. It allows also the user to access the archives containing the errors captured during the checks. Operators, help desk, application managers, IT managers can access different customized dashboards for their specific area of expertise, updating them in real time on the status of service delivery. S3 Virtual User Console allows remotely installing and configuring the monitoring environment on new dedicated workstations. You can define checks, install them remotely, and launch connectivity tests right from the console. Through S3 Virtual User Console, you can update, activate, deactivate existing controls, and release them in real time on active virtual user workstations. You can also create new checks through suitable script codes. The S3 Virtual User Console Alarm Management System is designed to mediate between the conflicting requirements of timelessness and containment of the number of reports regarding short duration and low impact events. You can configure different policies for applications and services that require customized levels of attention, define new alarms, and associate them to different checks. The Web CIA module of S3 Virtual User Console provides users with a tool to break down all the requests generated by a web URL and provide guidance for detecting any latencies observed in loading the correspondent web page. S3 Services Solutions Systems. Real time is our time.